So welcome back to What's Wrong with Your Bobcat. Today we got a 763 and our throttle lever not maintaining its position. So we're gonna put a new friction ring in there. There's what's left of the old one back down in behind there. Real simple fix. Let me show you how to do it. So we just need a 3/16 Allen head socket. We're going to remove the two bolts here. So going. One. Two. Take our handle off. This is what's left of our friction ring. This is the friction ring that we need. Now, there is spring disc back here that also create tension, but all we need is the friction disc, I believe. So let's see if that's gonna work for us. Look at that. Pulls, holds. I might tighten it up just a touch. Let's see. Oh, yeah. A little bit more. Wow. Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. So, easy throttle fix on the 763.